Hello guys, welcome to Everyday with channel. Hope you've all been doing well. Is your girl April and I'm here with another big video for you guys. So guys, this is Everyday with channel where we learn how to make cool cash with our smartphones anywhere in the world. So if you're interested, hit that subscribe button. So I'm gonna wait for you to hit the subscribe button. Thank you. I'm sure you did hit the subscribe button. So let's get into today's video. So in today's video, I'm going to be talking about how you can use data for free. How you can get data for free using VPNs. Yes. So if you're interested, then sure you stay to the very end of this video because I'm going to be showing you how you can do that for yourself for free just by using a VPN app. So let's get started with this video. So this VPN I'm about to show you is a very fast one, and though I'm going to be showing the name at the beginning of this video, but you don't want to go just leave the video and get the VPN from Play Store. You have to wait because I'm going to show you how you can do it the right way for it to be effective and work for you. Okay, so now I'm going to go to Play Store and I'm going to type in Succeed Tunnel. So I'm going to type in Succeed Tunnel and this is what's going to come up. This is your Play Store and this is the app here. Ensure it's this exact same app. Now this VPN works no matter where you are in the world. It works for every country. So just download it, hit install and download it. After downloading, just let the app be. And I'm going to go to a site that's going to help us get this VPN to give us data correctly. So I'm going to go to a site and the name of this site is Fast SSH. So you're going to type in your browser. You could use Chrome, Kiwi browser, Safari, any browser you have is going to work. So you're going to type in Fast SSH and this is what's going to pop up. So now you want to click on this first one, this very first one, fastssh.com. So I'm just going to click on it and it's going to redirect me to the site's main interface. Now this is the site main interface. This is fast SSH. Okay, so now at the top you're going to see where they would SSH at the top here. Yeah, this is where they put it. You're going to click on it and when you click on it, it's going to bring a pull down menu. So when the menu pulls down, you're going to click on this very last one that says create UDP request. Ensure it's that one you're clicking on. So when you click on it, it's going to redirect you to another site within this site, another page. So I'm just going to click on it now, and this is where it's going to redirect you to. And now depending on the country, depending on the your country of residence, you're going to choose any of these that's closest to your country. Okay, it could be the UK, it could be the US. I'm just going to pick one of these. I'm going to go with the United States of America. So I'm just going to click on it, click on where it says create UDP request. I'm going to tap on that. So it brought us here. So I'm just going to scroll up. When it brings you here, scroll up to until you get to see your the place you're going to input your username. You're going to create your username rather and create your new password. Okay, so I'm just going to scroll up and it's going to get me to where I have to input my details for my new account. So this is it. So I'm going to input my username and create a password. Ensure you create a password I won't forget, a good username, like I said, something that you always remember because you're going to be doing a lot of this online things. So I will advise you to use just one. So after doing that, I'm going to toggle on this. I'm not a robot, so I'm going to do the captcha. Then after doing the captcha, I'm going to click on where it says create here, create accounts. Yeah, I'm going to click on it where it says create account. And yeah, it has created the account for us. So this is our username, your password is there, and your IP server, okay, your IP address, and this is very important. This is what we're going to be using in using this VPN. So now we're going to go back to, after doing this, you're going to go back to your app, the app we just downloaded from Play Store, your Succeed Tunnel app. So I'm just going to head over to my Succeed Tunnel app. So guys, we are here at the Succeed Tunnel app. But before I continue with this video, I want to encourage you guys to subscribe to the channel, like this video, and share to anyone that you think you're gonna be interested in getting free data. So guys, please, I really do need your subscriptions. It's gonna help the channel. It's a growing channel, and nothing is too small. Please do subscribe. I really love you guys. Thank you. So let's go back to our video. So this is a Success Tunnel app. This is what it looks like. When you get here, the first thing you're going to do is to click on this settings icon. So I'm just going to click on it now, and it's going to take me to another place. Yeah, so after clicking the settings icon, it's going to bring you here. Now you want to, mine is already in UDP request, so you have to ensure that yours is also on UDP request. Ensure that it's on UDP request. Then I'm going to click on this configuration UDP request rather. So I'm going to click on it, and it's going to take me to another site. Yeah, it's going to bring me here, and now I'm going to click on where it says free server, and it's going to bring a pull down menu. So I'm just going to click on it, and you're going to see the pull down menu. Now the next thing you're going to do is to click on custom server, and ensure you follow everything I see in this video to get it correct, because one single mistake is not going to work. So click on custom server, and when you click on custom server, you're going to go back to your the configuration we created using fastssh.com. So I'm going to go back to my fastssh.com, and I'm going to get the details. So I'm going to copy my username, my password, and my server IP. So I'm just going to copy all that. So after getting all the information you need, you're going to go back to your Success, and when you click on the custom server, you're going to see a menu. Should I say a menu? What you're going to see next is going to contain a server IP, a password, a username, a start point, end point, and you're going to fill it just like how I did, just how you're seeing it on the screen right now. That's how you're going to fill it, and ensure that your start port rather is 1, your end port is 65535. Then you're going to scroll down, you're going to click on save, and that's how you get your configuration set. When you're done with this, to your the first dashboard you see on success.com, and you're going to hit on the start button, and you can start using your free VPN. So guys, this is how you get free data using this Success Tunnel VPN. There are other VPNs, and if you want me to do a video on that, on the other VPNs, you can say it in the comment section, so you have a variety of VPNs in which you can use free data with. And if you're also looking for a way to get cheap data in your normal MTN, Airtel, Go, if you're in Nigeria, there's a link to that video on how to get cheap data using an app in the description box below. Ensure you check that video out. So guys, this is the end of this video. This is how you can get free data using VPN. So guys, I want to tell you guys once more again, please do subscribe, like this video, and share. I will see you in my next video, guys. Let's be safe.